Joe, due in large part to your influence and advice, my wife and I retired yesterday at the age of 56. This is 3 years earlier than we had anticipated, and I'm so thankful that I found your channel a few years ago and started using Boldin and your process and thinking to bring all of our data together and give us confidence. Thank you, and God bless. Hey, folks, I receive about 10 comments like this a day. I'm telling you, that's what keeps me motivated. I love all the comments, but these where I'm having a small impact in people's life are just so meaningful. The purpose of this channel is to share my journey, to give you confidence. And I love that feedback. Keep it coming. I'm also going to share the results of a poll that I did. And this is, YouTube allows you to do this. 1,700 people were polled. Given the same financials and you had at the time, would you retire earlier? 15% said they wish they would have retired 1 year earlier. 15. 23% wish they would have retired 2 years earlier. These are all retirees. 2 or more years. 62% state that they retired at the same age. So looking at this data, 1,700, 38% of the people have at least some regret about not retiring earlier than they thought was possible. 38%. Where will you fall? Are you going to fall in the 60% that retired on time, or the 40% that may have some regrets? What's the right time for the DIYer? How do you get the most confidence? Confidence is the word of the day. Confidence is what you need to retire earlier. It's always going to make financial sense to work one more year. That's why people do it. That's why people work 1 and 2 more years, is because, hey, it's always going to look a little better. Do you have the courage and the confidence to go out on time? So folks, I have the unique position of seeing thousands of comments a day, dozens of emails, dozens of conversations, and I see patterns, okay? And from those patterns, I say, here's what I believe works, okay? And couple that with my 7 years being retired. So I've developed the process. It's got 5 steps, and I'm going to greatly simplify it in this video. But the more detailed version is in a link. So it's the very first link you'll come to in the show notes. Click Show More, and you'll see this document. Click on it. You can download it. Have fun. Okay. I'm hoping that I get an email or a comment from you that says, "Hey, I retired 3 years earlier than I thought was possible," like that other couple did. So this is going to be a summarized version of that. Let's go. Now, step number 1, begin with your personal analysis of your financial readiness. This can be in Word. This can be an Excel document. This can be a handwritten note. So begin with that. Can use the 4% rule at this phase. Number 2, purchase the Boldin software. This is the state-of-the-art, best in the industry, retirement planning software. Everything, it's comprehensive. Everything's in there. Taxes, Social Security timing, optimizers for those, market analysis, stress testing, hit maximum returns, optimistic, pessimistic returns, simple analysis. I've been buying it for 6 years now. It's the second or so link. I think it's the second link you come to, $144. It's outstanding. So step number 2, purchase the Boldin software. Step number 3, I got a link to Move Health. And I have no relationship right now with Move Health other than they are a company with their sole focus is targeting, their target group is early retirees transitioning into retirement. So if you're retired at 55, 60, all before Medicare, and your transition into Medicare, that is their target group. Okay, they're experimenting with my YouTube channel to see if that's a part of the business they want to They want to expand their reach. Right now, they only go through financial advisors. So Move Health, contact them, see if they can help you out. They're not targeting all people that need health insurance. They're targeting you, early retirees, thinking about early retirees. So if healthcare is keeping you from retiring early, Move Health. Step number 4, give a complimentary call to the folks at Money Pickle. These are certified financial planners that have been screened. They're going to give you 45 minutes of a complimentary, no charge, no expense to you phone call on your topic. Take your plan, run it by them. Run your questions by them. When should I take Social Security? Is it stupid to retire now? Should I take a lump sum instead of this pension? Should I buy this second home? Whatever you got. Should I wait one more year? Ask the folks at Money Pickle. Free, complimentary 45 minutes, folks. If you think you got a great plan, well, run it by somebody else. Run it by somebody else. That was step number 4. Step number 5. Again, these are all for the DIYer. Set up a $300 plan review by a certified financial planner. This one is not going to be a cold call. Like Money Pickle is a cold call. You're going to call them up and they're going to see what your issue is, but you're going to have to give them the background. Okay, that's complimentary. $300, you can have them look at your detailed plan. Maybe it's an Excel, maybe it's a Boldin PDF output that's simple to do. They're used to seeing these. That 3/4 of people have that Boldin PDF, but you don't have to. $300, they'll look at your plan for about an hour, and they'll review it with you for about an hour, and you'll have clear action items and a report of what the strengths are and what the gaps are in your plan for $300. Now, there's links in my show notes for 2 companies that do that. The only 2 companies in the United States that do that I know of. One of them, Defining Wealth, they're both great. Both great. Defining Wealth, if you choose to go with them, is only charging you $250 if you reserve your time in December of 2025. Don't have to have the meeting held in 2025. You have to reserve your time. So act fast on that one. Okay. That's it. That's all you got to do. That's the 5 steps to gain confidence. Running your plan by somebody else. This here runs your plan by the Boldin Software. That's another independent source of information. Can you retire? Get a Monte Carlo score, stress test it. You run your plan by the folks at Money Pickle, stress test it, ask questions, and you run your plan by a $300 review. Those 3 stress testing, external eyes looking at your plan makes all the difference. And maybe you can send that email to me, that comment to me. It says, Joe, we retired 3 years earlier than we thought was possible. Okay? Now, if you feel overwhelmed by this process, fear not. There are a lot of options. One is a complex plan creation, not full assets under management, paying them 1%. You may not choose to go that way. That could be a good way for you. That's another video. If you choose to kind of like, I want to do more than I want more help than do it yourself, but I don't want to go full assets under management. All these firms, every one of them, does a plan creation for a fixed fee and 12 months of engagement. Okay, every one of them does that between $3,000 and $4,500. Okay, so check out the folks at Money Pickle for that. Check out the folks at Defining Wealth and Donaldson Capital Management. Now, Neil Fort Wendell, his information is below, and this is a phone number. Okay, call his office. He helped me create my plan. I've been with him for 7.5 years now. Just met with him last week. If you like how I think, give Neil a call. Okay, give Neil a call and say, hey, I want a plan created. He's right at $4,000 for your typical plan. And that's 12 months of engagement with that. So you can answer, and they told me they spend about 3 months with a client. So meeting with them, understanding their needs, scheduling the meeting, getting all the information, scheduling follow-ups. It's about 3-month process. So it's a lot of detail. This is not the $300 plan review, okay? If you want a professional to create your plan for you. So check out Neil. There you go. There's my 5-step process for the DIYer to get confidence, retire just a little bit earlier than you thought was possible. I get those success stories all the time. No guarantees for you, but 40% of the people roughly wish they would have pulled the trigger of retirement just a little bit sooner. These are the steps to help you do that, in my experience. Show out.